Hi friends, may all you in good health and may enjoying the peace of life. Welcome to my YouTube channel Happy Home Trends. In this channel, I will show you most gorgeous and stylish short bob, pixie cut and medium length haircuts. You will get a lot of ideas for your haircuts and you can get any style from any salon. I will suggest you please subscribe to my channel if you are new here and also share it with your friends and family members if you like my videos. Also, I want to suggest that if you want to watch more videos like these haircut ideas, then please hit the bell icon. As you hit the bell icon, you will get notification of my all new uploaded videos. You get a lot of more information about hair fashion by subscribing this channel. So please subscribe and keep supporting me. I must say thanks for your time to watch this video. Thank you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Happy Home Trends. I must say hello to my all friends around the world. I wish and pray all you will be in good state of health and peace. In this video, I will show you pixie haircut ideas. As pixie haircut is a timeless and versatile hairstyle that has become a popular choice among working women for its practicality. This style exudes confidence, making it an excellent choice for busy professionals who want to maintain a polished look with minimal effort. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe icon and share it with your friends. Moreover, pixie haircut for working ladies give the effortless elegance, low maintenance, professional yet stylish, versatility, cool and comfortable which express your personality. You are watching and listening the YouTube channel Happy Home Trends. Here I would like to meet everyone digitally and hoping you all are in good health. May my Allah keep you in good health and wealth. I'm here to share different hairstyles for different personalities, as hairstyle can contribute to initial impressions. It is just one aspect of person's overall identity. Plus, a person's hairstyle can have an impact on their overall appearance. I request you all, please keep supporting me by pressing the subscribe icon and show your love to me. Moreover, I would like to say your choice of hairstyle can be a form of self expression. A well groomed and stylish hairstyle can boost your confidence. A neat and polished hairstyle is often associated with professionalism. So please, I suggest you to choose hairstyle and haircut wisely. Thank you.